You get what you pay for. For £49 I got a completely and tastefully modernized furnished room with modernized ensuite bathroom, albeit rather small in size. However, I am slim and fit, and so the small size wasn't an issue for me personally. I feel that for £49 I personally got a good
have an actual window to the outside, just one that opened inside, straight into the restaurant area of the lodge, insignificantly blocked by a decorative fountain, which was kind of awkward at breakfast time, when lots of people were right outside our window.
In spite of the negative points, the staff were wonderfully friendly and helpful. The hotel was a short walk from the Northern Line Underground station. The ensuite bathroom was spotless and the shower very relaxing once the hot water finally came through.
There was a £4.80 for 24 hours charge for Wi-Fi, which, especially these days, is just wrong. At a glance the place looked presentable, but the floor in the corridor to my ground floor room was in a terrible state of repair.
The property is being refurbished, so is looking fresher. Albeit the color scheme is a bit tacky. Near to Tube Station and 15-minute walk to Clapham High Street. Recommend the Windmill Pub nearby. Didn't eat at the hotel, so can't comment.
Corridor carpets stained, worn and dirty. No hot water in the shower unless started from the bathroom tap first. Took me 10 minutes to figure out staying out in the cold. Room and bathroom clean, but the grouting and silicone in the bathroom clearly not the best maintenance work. Room 122.